Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candles here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, and a whole ton of volume right there during the final 30 minutes of the day. Overall, I mean, it was a good day depending on your perspective, meaning if you're approaching this trade from a, hey, I'm going to trade this thing, then yeah, you got the nice little gap up here. And then from a percentage standpoint, made a very, very nice move all the way up there. And then if you were more so in it for kind of a bigger picture thing, saying, hey, is this going to start to bounce from a big picture type viewpoint? Then it was definitely a disappointing day from that, frame of reference, as after the price got up there, it essentially went right back to where it started. But the interesting thing here is that there definitely is, a set of buyers down here right around, give or take, the 30.5 cent mark, or you could just call it 30 cents. But what's occurred once again after today's price movement, today being during the final 30 minutes, and then you go back here and look on Friday, and then earlier, last week, you can see whenever the price gets right around, like I said, 30 to 30.5, there's been buyers that have bought in it every single time. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Does that mean that for sure this is the bottom? No, there's no such thing as a for sure in the market. However, would it be shocking to see the price potentially come down here to 30 cents again, behave in this manner, and then, have history repeat itself? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. I mean, it's already done that a couple of times already. So down around, like I said, 30 to 30.5 cent area from a risk versus reward perspective is definitely an interesting area where the buyers have proven themselves time and time again to be willing to pick up shares down around that area. Now, in the event there's going to be any sort of worthwhile bounce to the upside, then let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. As of right now, let me get that out of the way. There's a pretty kind of in-your-face level of buyers, as we said, but on the flip side, right up here, just shy of 38 cents, definitely seems to be an area where there's lots of sellers up there. So you have a kind of a good line in the sand down here at 30.5. Then on the flip side, you have the line in the sand up there as far as sellers are concerned at 38 cents. So those are definitely going to be the two primary levels going forward. The good news is the week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see if the bulls can try to turn things around and create another bounce for themselves. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.